Hello everyone, this is Mary Antoinette. I have another video for you. Yes, look at what I have here. Let me go ahead and put the camera down so you can really see what I have. I have a new vacuum cleaner. The Shark Navigator. This is the Deluxe. Now I did a video previously. I did a video on a Shark Navigator. That was, I guess, the original vacuum. This is the Deluxe. I got so tired. I have 3 stories to my house, and I got so tired of hauling that vacuum cleaner from one level to the next, because I like the vacuum that I did prior. You know, I put a review out on the Shark Navigator before, and I told you it was actually a good vacuum cleaner for shag carpets, shag rugs. And I told my husband, go back to the same store and get me another Shark Navigator. So he went to the store. Actually, he went, since we're veterans, you know, we have access to the main exchange on the military installation. So he went to the PX, and he said, Marion, they didn't have the other vacuum, so I got the Deluxe. So I said to myself, you know what? If the other vacuum cleaner was nice, I'm sure the Deluxe is even going to be better. So this vacuum cleaner in the PX, let me get the receipt so I can show you how much this costs. Okay, here's the receipt, and that's the vacuum cleaner there. It was for $175. That's how much it costs. $175. All right, that's in the PX. Now I don't know how much it costs, and like if you were to go and purchase this at Walmart or Target. I don't know how much it would cost there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to open this box, and I am going to put the vacuum cleaner together, and then I'm going to give this baby a good old fashioned test drive. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. Open up this box here. All right, and so what they have here, first of all, you have the owner's guide, and then that tells you what's in the box. And the next thing I'm taking out is if you're liking this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the bell. That way you're going to be notified when I upload my next video. just as good as the original. This one here is that's the deluxe, everybody. So, you know what? Both of them are good. I had the original Shark Navigator, and we just purchased the deluxe. So for $175, it's a great deal. All right, this is Marion again. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, y'all have a great day.